Hi, my name's Aaron, and I'm of age. People have been telling me that I have an addiction to making sound effects.
You can just knock. Just knock.
All right. But I mean, I do them here and there, but I don't think it's a problem. It's not like an addiction. Like sometimes it just happens.
Hey, what's up, Jared?
All right, you mind if I take my jacket off?
Sure.
But I just live my life, you know, the way I feel like is best, and I feel like just adding a little something to spice up your sentences, like with a sound effect or whatever it may be, isn't that much of a problem, you know?
Alright, my friend Aaron, he's got a problem. There's something wrong with him.
You just that guy right in the cranium, bro.
That was sick.
It is.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Yep. What's wrong with your friend?
I don't know.
Is he like that all the time? I'll be right back.
Yo, Nick, can you come with me to grab something real fast?
Yo, Jared, we'll be right back.
Alright.
He embarrasses me everywhere we go. I can't deal with it anymore.
Whoa, what is this?
Yo, Nick, you want some of this? Like it looks pretty good, you know?
Clean up on aisle 5.
Yo, Nick, you want some of this? Like,
It's pretty good.
yo, Nick, meow.
It used to be so normal. This was us when we were little.
Yo, Nick, look at this, look at this, look at this. I think me and Jared are really hitting it off.
I don't like Aaron. Like, he's just annoying. All the noise he does. You know?